OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite versus Nord CE3 versus OnePlus Nord 3. Now for display. Display type. Screen size. Display resolution. Display PPI. Refresh rate. Display protection. Dust and water resistant. Now for performance. Operating system. Chipset. Processor. Graphic processing unit. Now for storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Memory card slot. Now for camera. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite. OnePlus Nord CE3. OnePlus Nord 3. Back camera makes video recording. Selfie camera. Now for battery. Battery capacity. Fast charging. Reverse charging. Now for connectivity. Network. Fingerprint sensor. Bluetooth. USB port support. NFC. Now for design and build. Stereo speakers. Headphone jack. Back protection. Weight. Now for price. Specs score. Thanks for watching this video.